Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Additive Loft and Hole. We finalize this 3D solid part in 6 steps. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the 6 steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 profile on XY plane, and then we create a solid part with the Extrude tool. The size of the sketch is 90 by 145 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Next, activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle at the origin. Let us add a fillet with a radius of 20 millimeters to the edge. Now select all fillets and then constrain them equal. Next, assign a dimension to one of the fillet. Let us sketch the 2 circles with a diameter of 18 millimeters. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 20 millimeters. In step 2, we sketch the position to profile on top face and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle on the vertical axis. Now, extract the reference edge to dimension the new sketch. Next, sketch a circle with a diameter of 68 millimeters and then constrain it tangential to the reference line. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Assign the missing dimensions. Remove or delete the center point of the rectangle. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. Now select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 65 millimeters. In step 3, we sketch a rectangular profile on XZ plane and then we remove material from the created part with the Pocket tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Now, extract the reference edges to dimension the new sketch. Next, sketch a rectangle and then dimension it to the reference lines. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Next, select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool. In the dialog window, select the option Symmetric and set the length to 68 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, we sketch the lower and the upper circles, and then we make it a solid part with the Part Design Additive Loft tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Next, extract the reference curve to define the center point. First, sketch the circle with a diameter of 68 millimeters. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Next, we sketch the small circle with a diameter of 40 millimeters in similar way. Now, we move the small circle 40 millimeters up. Select the sketch and then change the Z value to 40 millimeters. Now, select both sketches and then activate the Additive Loft tool. In step 5, we create the hole with a diameter of 24 millimeters with the Hole tool. Select the top face or the top edge and then activate the Hole tool. In this dialog window, first deactivate the option Drill Angle and then set the depth type through hole and the diameter to 24 millimeters. In the last step, we sketch the rib profile on XZ plane and then we create a solid part with the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, activate the View Section tool and then extract the reference edges. First, sketch roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. As you see, the sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now, select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool. In the dialog window, select the option Symmetric and set the length to 10 millimeters. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.